The Iberian Peninsula is located on Europe's southwestern tip. It is part of the Southern Europe Peninsula, which comprises three peninsulas: Iberian, Balkan, and Italian peninsulas. The Iberian is the westernmost peninsula of the three peninsulas. The Iberian Peninsula's southern tip is separated from the Africa continent by the narrow Strait of Gibraltar. At the narrowest point, the peninsula is only 8 kilometers from Africa, specifically Morocco. The Iberian Peninsula covers approximately 583,256 kilometers squared, accounting for about 5.9% of Europe's total area. It extends from Punta de Tarifa on the extreme south to Punta de Estaca de Bars on the northern extremity. From the west, the peninsula begins at Cabo de Roca and extends to Cap de Cruz in the east. Forgive me for my pronunciation. It forms an irregular octagonal shape resembling an oxide. Okay, so country or territory: Andorra, France, part of the French department of Pyrenees Orientales; Gibraltar, British Overseas Territory; Portugal, and Spain. The Iberian Peninsula is separated from the rest of Europe by the Pyrenees mountain range located between France and Spain. The peninsula is mainly occupied by Spain and Portugal. However, it also comprises Andorra, part of southern France, part of the French department of Pyrenees Orientales, and Gibraltar, British Overseas Territory. Spain's European continental territory is located entirely on the peninsula. It also occupies much of the landform, including the northwest, east, and central parts. Spain accounts for 84.5% of the peninsula's total area, or 492,175 square kilometers. It is bordered to the northwest and west by Portugal, north by Andorra, and south and southern France, and south by Gibraltar. Portugal is the peninsula's largest country. It occupies 15.3% of the peninsula, or 89,015 square kilometers. It is bordered to the east and north by Spain. Andorra is located entirely on the Iberian Peninsula. It is the peninsula's smallest country, covering 468 square kilometers. France is represented on the peninsula by the Pyrenees Orientales and accounts for about 0.1% of the total area, or 539 square kilometers. Gibraltar, located on the southern tip, occupies only 7 square kilometers on the peninsula. The origin of the name. The name Iberian is often used to refer to Portugal and Spain. This name is linked to the Ebro River, also known as Iberus in Latin and Iberos in ancient Greek. River Ebro runs on the north and northeastern part of the peninsula, particularly Spain, and drains into the Mediterranean Sea. The Greeks referred to Spain as Iberia because of River Ebro, and those living along the river bank as Iberians.